It's a grey morning this morning. Not quite enough sunlight to get the pulse motor going. It's trying. Just not quite enough to get it going past the point of continuity. I just made that up. It's just got to go a little bit further so the pulse goes past the coil rather than pushing itself backwards between two magnets. I'll give it a little bit of a push. No, a little bit more of a push. There we go. It'll probably stop again though, because there really isn't enough sunlight. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it'll keep going. Maybe the sun's coming up.